Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't change default app to open PDF files in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click PDF file, click Open with, click Choose another app. Select Choose an app on your PC. Select Adobe Acrobat Reader executable file. Click Always. Second method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click MS Edge, click End Task. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Search with Acrobat Reader. Change PDF files to Acrobat Reader. Click Set Default. Fourth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer, click and expand FileExe. Delete.pdf key, if any error deleting close registry and run commands one by one. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one. Now you can delete .pdf key. Right-click PDF file, click Open with. Choose an app on your PC. Select Adobe Acrobat Reader executable file. Click Always. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.